You know, honestly, I don't even know how to start this video, but I'm just gonna start it off with whatever comes to my mind. Yes, yes, it's gonna be a rant. It's gonna be a hardcore rant. Because what the hell Nike and Jordan is doing and allowing, it's out of control. Out of control. Let's put it like this. I'm gonna put it real quick to you guys. I'm trying to hold myself in the first 30 minutes, 1 minute over here, not to cuss. But after that, I don't know. I don't promise anything. What is going on with these companies? The pricing is out of control when it comes to a pair of J's. You see, I'm already ahead of the gun. I'm woo 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 woo. Listen to this. Listen to this. I actually was contemplating on buying the Jordan Security 3s. And I said, you know what, man? There's something about that shoe that I just might want to buy it just to have that one little thing and say, you know what? I don't feel bad that I got left out of it or I passed on it, even though that's not the way it should be. But I said, you know what? I'm gonna go with it and I'm gonna end up buying them. Well, it's a very simple little thing that I had. The last ones had it, but not on this one. You know why? Because we like to raise the pricing over here. I was gonna say something else. Raise the pricing over here. In other words, and we remove even more quality from it. No more black hat in the back. No, we're gonna skyrocket the price and we're gonna eliminate the nice embroidery that says black hat in the back. Oh, right there, very nice. No more, because we decided to go half-ass. We decided that all these suckers, because I swear to God, that's the way they have to think like this. All these suckers are still gonna buy the shoes, so you don't have to put that extra labor in there. You don't have to put that extra price in there. And let's just shaft everybody at the end of the day. Guys, please, these are the type of things right there that we cannot keep falling for. No, if you would have put it, notice what I was saying. I was gonna buy it because I said black hat. I said, you know what, bro? I think it's worth it. I already said it. I don't want to repeat myself. I'm trying to control myself over here. Because, dude, these type of things take me off. They really do. And let me give it a chance. Let me just buy it. Even if I don't rock it that much or anything like that. Just so I can have a black hat. Beautiful. No. Remove it. Donkey shit. Crap. Crapola. I don't know what else I can say about it. That is horse shit. That's all they have done with that sneaker. All you're gonna get is a regular plain ass triple black Jordan that, hey, the RMs are sitting. Those are sitting. Black cats right there. Nobody wants that. Why? Think about it. Because it doesn't have that in the back. That would actually push up the sales. But no, we keep getting shafted and shafted more and more fucking shafted. It is what it is, guys. Yes, because we're just suckers like that. So Nike and Jordan, please, not just that you have already degraded completely the presentations of the shoes. That's long gone. You're degrading the quality of the shoe. You guys are going half-assed. And then to top it off, you're gonna bring back something nice. And you're gonna remove the only nice part that it truly has. You're gonna remove that too? Oh, so what am I thinking here? This is technically only made for hypebeast. That's it. Strictly made for it. Not made for the true sneaker enthusiast that wants to have something of history there. Yo, check it out, dog. Black cat in the back. These are the black cats. What makes that piece of crap a black cat, bro? Yo, look, it has it embroidered right there. It's an actual edition. But no, not enough. No, that's not good, Poof. Well, it's, let me control myself, guys. I'm gonna control myself over here because it's just, I can keep going all day with this thing. But that's all. Nike, Jordan's fault. And whose fault it is even more? The people that cough up the chatter for it. That's what ruins everything. They know they can take out any piece of garbage, and we're still gonna buy it. I'm definitely not buying that piece of garbage. That ain't gonna happen. And then I'm not even gonna start right. I'm not gonna end there. No, I'm going for the next one, baby. I'm going for the next one. And what is the next one? The white cement shit. Because that's what it is. The white cement shits. They're not forced to shit. That's not rolling with me no more. Look at the pictures. Yes, I said it. I said it. Wait, I even have the shoes right here. I have the shoes right here. Oh, bro, this thing takes me off. Look at this beauty. Look at that beauty. Nice right here. High, nice, you know. That leather going a little high. Nice and bubbly, you know. How it used to look. Beautiful. Wait. Look at this. Look at this one right here. Look at that one. Nice and bubbly. Oh, look how beautiful. Little bulky shoe. Nice. Now, look at this penguin dick. That's what this is. This is shit. I can't stand this shoe. This is disgusting to me. Excuse me. It should have this silhouette. Look at the difference. Look at the difference of this. Look at the difference, bro. Linguini cock. And this right here, nice and bubbly. You know, nice. Like a nice little fur burger. Yes, because I love the fur burger. Yes, look at it right there. Nice. No, they're going to give us this piece of garbage again. A little bit more. That line right there, they sew it into the midsole. Yes, let's do that. No, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's already out of control. But I got some hope. Yes, you know why I'm saying this right now? Because it actually popped into my mind. And what is the only hope I have for this month? And probably for all Jordan, because God knows what other piece of garbage they're gonna do the rest of the year. I'm sick and tired of it already. I'm let me just keep it to myself. The Jordan 11 low year of the snake. I'm actually pretty excited for that. Maybe when it comes out, it looks like an old woman's wrinkled ass, the snake pattern, but you never know. I still have hope because I saw the release footage right there and it looks nice. It looks beautiful. In my case, it's beautiful. But I have the hope, and maybe, hey, it comes with a nice little black package on it too. Nice. That is called quality right there. Maybe we get shafted 270. I have no idea what they charge for it. But that to me, I still have the hopes up. And hopefully all the hype beasts don't buy any of it. So I can take advantage of the situation. Yes, I'm actually looking forward to it. But anyways, guys, enough of the rant. That is just something I have to let out. Yes, and who better than with my YouTube fam? Till next time, everybody. Please don't fall for these people. Anyways, till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. I forgot to say peace. That's how frustrated I am. Peace! Black cat my ass.